pull up on the cushion to remove it and take the seat to the nearest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms toward the shaft and hug it to your chest. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
I want y'all to see where we are right now.
What? What'd you say?
Because
somebody got us running late.
Somebody got us running late as always. As always.
We in Vegas, baby.
Sweetheart, sweetheart.
I think so.
Ooh, we can time now.
But people come here anyway.
A little slight situation. Lady over there, a little slight situation. We actually don't even have to put no You said what?
We need to go straight to a dispensary.
Yeah.
Straight.
So somebody decided to take half of my avocado toast. You know what I'm saying? And then, so I had to get this omelet. Yeah, fuck it up. It looks really good on camera. You look really good on camera. You let's go do a little shopping.
Vegas, baby.
Hey. said what? The restaurant up at the Eiffel Towers?
Yeah.
Alright, we can go.
Come over here.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Ooh, cauliflower steak.
Cauliflower steak. Assorted seasonal mushrooms. What you got, man?
Salmon.
Salmon? What else? What's this over there?
Potato gratin. You have to taste this salmon.
What?
The sauce that's
Yeah.
like underneath this lettuce right here,
Yeah.
plus the lettuce all together just makes it so freaking good. Like so good.
What's the sauce taste like?
I don't know. I can't describe it.
Let me see. Let me get a little bit.
There's no data.
That shit is amazing. Try the cauliflower steak real quick. Sauces make it taste like real meat. No matter where we at, this girl gonna still watch Martin. So Bree ordered this food from this little, what's this called, Bree? What's it called? Craving? It's called Craver or whatever, Craving. Something like that. And yeah, this how it came in a little bag, you know. And now I think I need to order me some food, cause yeah, that joint big as hell. I think it's a pancake though. That's why, like, it's a pancake. This her cheat day too. Look, y'all see her eat meat. Her cheat, what is it, week? Her cheat week where she get to eat meat. But it's pancake and egg and a patty.
It's a pancake? I thought it was like croissant. I don't know. It is kind of sweet though. It is good.
And a patty. Yes, sir. That's gonna look good though. Yeah, it is sweet. I swear it's a pancake. Look, it's a pancake. Look. It's a pancake.
It might be a pancake.
It gotta be a pancake. That's just sweet and it tastes like maple
It's
syrup.
good.
I'm finna order me one. Alright. Let me see what they got. I might. She mad I told my dogs.
Alright, the number one rule with the helicopter will always be never ever go towards the tail. This tail rotor here spins at a couple thousand RPMs. Whatever it touches, it will take. For whatever reason, if you guys try to walk back that way, I'm just going to nudge you in the right direction. I'm not going to push you hard. I'm not trying to scare you or hurt you. I'm just keeping you safe, okay?
Alright.
Alright, and then we're not in a war movie, so you guys don't got to walk around the helicopter like this. If you feel safe,
Hey.
by all means, go ahead, but you just look a little silly. The blades are about 14 feet high when they're spinning, so I can put my hands up, jump up and down. It's not... You guys can talk to each other in the helicopter using the headsets. Just make sure that you keep the mic close to your mouth and you talk very loud, otherwise you're going to be talking to yourself, okay?
Okay.
And while you're in the helicopter, you can keep your mask down, but when you get out, go ahead and pull it back up.
Okay.
No, you excited.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we mother go. I can't say what I actually want to say because it's a little vulgar.
Motherfucking